bow. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome John Arvin Rinien.
You and I came to